Well, it's recovery day. Got Bonnie out today. We're gonna rough it and drive it an hour or two where we're going. We're going back where we picked up the 6x6 GMC. And if you guys remember this truck, I kept thinking about it, so I hit him up and he gave me a good price on it. It's a 48 International, I believe, killer patina. We're gonna try to drag it out of there. May scoop up something else while we're there, but I just stopped by the gas station and they gave me biscuits because we're a little late this morning, but can't beat that. Got some coffee. Let's go. Well, we made it out here in Compton, Arkansas. Here she is. This thing is just killer. It's like a military green, but I don't believe International was ever used for the military. But this thing is sweet. Super excited to get that pulled out of here. If he quit stalling the truck. It ain't near as big as what I thought it was. We should be able to pull that right out. Free camper shell. It's got no motor. My plan was to sell this, but man, I'm falling in love with it. I got everything 12 valve swap it, so we'll see. Do you think we ought to try to air up these tires or just pull it? Probably just pull it, huh?
Yeah, I'll just pull it. You gotta check out those brake lights.
It's got brake lights? Ooh, that's some oldies right there.
You can see the other one better.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I've never seen the other one. No.
This thing's pretty short.
Yeah.
Surely it wasn't factory like that. Someone shortened it. Huh. A nice little air correct camper shell here. Let me try to drag it out. A couple of Ford Mavericks. I guess this tree got both of them. One shot. It looked like a big ass tree though. Think we ought to pop it loose or just winch it from there? Yeah, probably wouldn't hurt to pop it loose. At least see if it's gonna roll. Hey. Keep going. Really? Look at how sexy this thing is. It's got the rear hubcaps along with the front. I really don't mind the wheelbase at all. Got a stick here. This thing needs to go back on the road. Look at this thing.
For pictures and videos and all that.
Yeah. You know what it is?
Yeah.
And we all say,
That ain't going nowhere.
that ain't going nowhere.
I think I get another link out of it.
I'm kind of obsessed with these blinkers.
Dude, no, those blinkers badass.
I can't believe it's got the rear ones on. Head caps. Now, usually you want to try to put a modern axle on it to make it look better, but I think I'd want to keep this stuff, honestly. 2-speed rear end. It's got a vacuum booster, but you could run it up to a lever. And that's some other goodies he has up here. See what's left. Stop and take a picture of this. This is cool. They actually drive that. Check the chains while we're here, but we'll keep trucking. We're in Osage, Arkansas. Well, as always, if you're swinging through here, you got to stop at Marble, Arkansas, Kings River Country Store, get something good to eat. We developed a little coolant leak here. He noticed it, so we got some coolant. We're going to fill it up and get a snack and then keep trucking. I don't understand what you're doing. Oh. We got a Texan jalapeno bacon cheeseburger. And curly. I didn't know they had curly fries.